Hello everyone! I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm at Toppen Shopping Centre in Johor Bahru, a popular destination for shopping and entertainment. This mall has a great variety of stores, from fashion and sports outlets to supermarkets and restaurants. In this video, I'll take you on a tour to explore some of the interesting places inside. Stay with me as we walk through the mall and discover what makes Toppen Shopping Centre a great place to visit. Let's get started. Now let's step inside and explore some of the most popular stores at Toppen Shopping Centre. There are so many unique products to check out, and I'll be showing you some of them along with their prices. Whether it's fashion, sports gear, or something special, there's a lot to discover. Now, I'm heading straight to Sports Direct, one of the biggest sports stores here at Toppen Shopping Centre. Whether you're into football, gym workouts, or outdoor activities, this store has a wide range of sports gear and accessories. Let's go inside and see what they have to offer. Next, I'm heading to the Flagship Store, a must-visit spot here at Toppen Shopping Centre. This store offers a variety of unique and high-quality products. Let's go inside and see what's interesting. Now, let's check out the fruits and vegetables store here at Toppen Shopping Centre. This place is filled with fresh and high-quality produce, from tropical fruits to a variety of fresh vegetables. I'll also show you the prices so you can get an idea of what's available. If you love fresh and healthy food, this is definitely a great spot to explore. Let's take a closer look. That's all for today's tour of Toppen Shopping Centre. I hope you enjoyed exploring the stores and checking out the unique products available here. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content. See you in a new video soon. maybe at another shopping mall, a tourist spot, or an exciting new destination. Until then, take care.